y'all, what up, welcome back YouTube. So I'm about to head to the shop. You know, I had got me some brushing. I'm about to head to the shop. I'm about to put up this grass wall. So my sign didn't come in yet. It'll be in here tomorrow, but I'm about to put up the grass wall. And boom, we gonna see how that's looking, you know. I'm gonna let y'all know once I get to the shop. So peace out. Okay, y'all, let's make this happen, make it happen. You heard me? Let me get the grass. This we about to be using. And a lock system and a lock. For those that don't know, this is the staple gun I had to get. See? Power shot is easy to just press against the wall. This one just got the biggest staples. Alright, you all, make sure I locked it at the top. Staple, make sure it's close to the top. Get on the interlock system, you see, next to the staple. Keep pushing them on as I go up, as I go across. Just keep snapping them in. See how I clipped on side of it? Still get to the socket, still cover that up a little bit. Alright y'all, since we at the bottom, look like I'm gonna have to cut half of sheets. Just put a hook on. See how far it's gonna come down. Call it cheating or whatever it is. But look like I'm gonna be using a lot more staples for this side because I done cut those in half. That's 3 1/2. This is the other half here, but it don't connect as far as the holes and nothing like that. So I'm thinking about, instead of going straight across and continuing like that, I might just take them and boom, fill it all the way up the wall. Okay, that's the last piece left. Alright y'all, time to fluff them out. Fluff the wall out, you know. About to put the white gloves on this scent. You know, this here just protect your hand, but we're gonna try them out, might as well. They sent them, huh? I ain't been using the white gloves the whole time, but I'm about to use them to fluff out the grass because you gotta basically rub your hands through the grass. Where you can see the panels at. You want to spread that. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. So until next time, when me and Lil put up that light, y'all take it easy. So peace out. Alright YouTube, so welcome back. Y'all already know I've been waiting for the sign to come in. I done put the grass wall up. The sign is now in. So it's time to put it up on top of that grass wall. So appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Let's open the package.
Watch out, cut those out, things.
Wow. Yeah, there we go. The sign is in, y'all. The sign is in.
There we go, you guys. Fresco tattoo.
Fresco tattoo, you up in the building, baby.
Oh. Y'all come in, come take y'all pictures
Take
right here.
picture, snap up, you hear me? Snap up.
Thank y'all for shopping at Fresco's Tattoos.
Appreciate the services, you hear me? Y'all to see, well, the big box, I dropped it in the wall, and this is the piece that comes from the top of the light. You're gonna just drop that all in there, but it is easier if you was to get the light on same time as the grass. That way you can have all your wires behind it and you ain't gotta be, you know, tucking it in like this. But yes, it does work though.
Also with the chain, we took it apart and dropped the chain behind the grass.
Yep, those dogs, see? Yo, alright y'all. Y'all already see Cresco signed up. Thanks to Alea and me, she helped me out, you know. Cause you do need 2 people to hold that sign for sure. But yep, got the chains hidden. everything in place. What else should we add to the wall? You already know Crest Coast Tattoos in the building. YouTube, we checking out.